In this video, I want to share with you how to use the Google Map to navigate between one place to another. Maybe you are traveling from Sariskandar to Kuala Lumpur, or you are traveling from Perak to Selangor, or you are traveling from Zaria to Kaduna in Nigeria. Whichever way you want to travel, Google can help you without installing any app. You just go to your browser. We can show you how to do that on the phone and on the system. So on your computer, for example, you want to go from Zaria to Kaduna. Okay, you just click on enter and you can see the location, Zaria to Kaduna. You can check on Google Maps and very easily to show you the direction. Okay, to take you 1 hour 25 minutes, or it's about 83.7 kilometers away. Okay, so this is your location, and this is where this is the destination, and this is where your location, and you are moving to this place. Okay, so down here it will show you the different routes. You can go there by car. Okay, you can go by train, or by trekking, or by bicycle, or by plane. For example, each one of them you enable, you see the details will change. Okay, but by a normal car driving, it will take you 125 to 88.7, and you can go by trekking as well, which is quite far, about 22 hours 39 minutes. It take you nearly a day to get there, right? So but then let's go by car, and you have the other options over here. Once you click on this, you can see you can avoid highways, tolls, ferries. You can select to avoid all this so that it will not show on the details. You can so distance unit automatic, or you can go by miles or kilometer. So let's say it goes automatic. Okay, and then down here you have other options to explore. Maybe along the way you can see restaurants, you can see hotels, you can see gas stations and parking lots, and many more. You just click on this and you have many more options. Banks, it will show takeout, post offices, pharmacies, grocery stores, as well as hospitals. They can display all this along the way, okay, if you enable. And down here you have gas stations, hotels, rest stops, and many more. Okay, so you check, you can see fast food joints, coffee joints, restaurants, groceries, all these you can just enable them, right, accordingly. But for now, let's just say you are just traveling, or you can decide to exchange from Zaria to Kaduna, or Kaduna to Zaria, and everything will change, will reverse accordingly. Down here you have to show your location and pin it. Over here you can just zoom in to that particular location, or zoom out so that you can see many more details. All right, so for now this is just how to showcase the distance, the direction, and all. And once you are online, once you are mobile, it will start moving. Once you say you want to start the trip, it's going to start moving directly. So you select recommended travel mode. So let's say you are going by this, you just select. All right, so once you are mobile, you start moving, and the map will start updating your location accordingly and showcasing where you are going. So you can do the same on your phone. You can just have to open your Google Chrome, and you can search for Zaria to Kaduna. Okay, and you just hit on enter. Now to showcase for you, you can just come to maps the same way. All right, you can see the location. You can even dictate it for it. Okay, so easily you can see 1 hour 24 minutes. You can preview, you can see the steps needed. Okay, you head north and then turn left. You know, all these are instructions on how you can get there. These are the various steps it has showcased and highlighted to you, all the steps until you get to Kaduna. And you can show the map if you like. You can show the preview, and this is once you start moving your mobile to start showcasing the direction. Follow this, and it will start telling you all about your movement. All right, so you can come to these 3 dots, and you can allow traffic or satellite and terrain. You can choose any one of them, and over here you can preview. You can check on this to have a preview of how the route is going to look like. So this is about, you can show the map back again and then see what you can change. And you can come over here and you can see different kind of map type, map details, as well as other features. So you feel free to just explore it to learn about your movement and how you can move it and how you can change it. You can check the options over here as well. So you have to avoid motorways. That's just like we have explained in the computer. You can avoid toll roads and avoid ferries and all that. You can choose to ignore all this. Okay, so this is just about how to use Google Map to navigate between your location and the anticipated location where you intend to travel. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is just a brief. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.